Good morning, bay. Adto ko ganang kuanon kahapon kay nangaon kuman mo ganang lakaw ni Laura nangaon may sa kanang charge to nangaon may kanang sa to ramen kay tugnaw kayo. Anyway, I'm up early today. It's not really early pero doon kog subaru kay ako ning pataura ng tubangan to ng instalag something. Sige. Love the chairs in this. The leather seats are good. Yeah, very good. Want to have it. Yep. So, I want to have these leather seats. Steering. I like it. I like the tires here. BRZs. Wow. Not four-wheel drive though. So nahuman nagtawad ba gikan kog dealer niya kanang naman nagtawad ang katong nose garnish para ning sakyanana. So kato siyang rubber front of the car and medyo disappointed ko because the thing is when I look at it kanang kuno siya double-sided like those ones you buy on eBay or an AliExpress, and the thing is kanang dili siya flush, dili siya dikit sa body gid, and due to that it's like burot siya. I didn't like how it looked, but yeah, it is what it is. Murag makano na ka ba if naagi ko time and wala lang ko mga something from them, I could have got them online, and also they charged me for fitting it in. So they posted there's a price online to buy it, and there's a price also. It says it's fitted in, and then they give me the pricing because they messed up. They give me the lower pricing, and now when I got it, fuck, they charge siya ka ng pag-fit, and I could have fitted it myself. Such bullshit. Anyway, enough with the dealer. I don't like them anymore. I don't think they can do anything for me. They messed up first my bumper. They gave me a crappy non-black plate number, which they didn't give me an option to get the black one. That goes up in sales, and yeah, it's bullshit. Anyway, ang look forward to lalakwani is when I get my service with them. I hope they do good with my service, and yeah, that's it. I'm not expecting anything from them. I'm not expecting that they could help me in any way or make me feel happy because they've done what they kanang sa gibuhat nila, but it's not satisfactory. It's not making the customer happy, and that's what's important. Even though if you can do anything for me, hindi ka makabuhat na sa kuha, as long as you make me happy, you just talk to me, that would have been good. But nah, shit. So yeah, I just got home, and we're gonna do a bit of cleaning with the car. The thing is, ko siyang gripihan kanina, but the thing is, kusog siya mo lama. I don't know. I was staying away from black because gusto mo lama black, but it's a bit of lama there and a bit of dust sticking to. I had ceramic coating on it. Maybe it's ceramic coating the plate ang dust, but anyway, we're gonna try to clean the tires and we'll see how we go. Other than that, yeah. Yes, yeah. So quick wipe up, and yeah, we're good to go. And what is siya? This is the garnish. So it should be good. Awesome. Kung OCD lang ka, tanawa. Yeah. But that's fine. It's rubber. Really rubber. Yep. Right there. This is a bit smaller. I have a bigger one, but I like the small one. That should be good. Okay, it's kinda cold. Because it's winter. Winter and yeah, we're done with the crosstrek issue at the moment. I'm just trying to buy kaya. Kanang murag palaman ba? Murag siya kanang coconut. So murag siya kanang pandikoko ang taste. So I'm gonna go buy there. So just got back. Yan kanang paspas na kayo sa iskina. But tugnaw man kayo. So I went back home. I just got these ones here. They are called kaya. So kwan siya, coconut spread. Nakatila ko sa Singapore and it's so good. So yeah. Nagkano kayo ko guaytero? Tiguang. Like I said, this is what I got from my crosstrek. Kanang nose garnish and looks so good, man. And that's a Jeep. So yeah, I'm gonna tanan sa itong ginabuhat, and then I'm gonna try to edit some stuff right now. So yeah, that will be it. Trying to go back to the DSLR one. I mean the SLR. No, the mirrorless camera, because it still looks good. Hindi to siya handy, but yeah, this one is really good. I like it.